If you're a credit repair business owner that's struggling running Facebook ads, maybe you're not getting leads. Maybe your leads are garbage, or maybe your leads don't have any money or not even answer the phone. Just comment below your Facebook page. I'll take a look the ads that you're running to let you know what you need to do to improve your Facebook ad system. Right now, we're looking at this lady's ads, Tora Jenkins, and I just found it randomly on a Facebook ad library. So, number one off top is when I see this, I see there's a picture. If I don't know her, I'm not familiar with her, this picture doesn't mean anything from me. It's just a picture of her. It's not really anything that's going to pop off or catch my attention. You need to automatically hook people off top. People aren't interested in you. People are interested in fixing their problems. Let them know that you're talking about their problems. The goal is to get high qualities, people that have money with less than perfect credit score. So number one, you need to understand who you're targeting. Let's say that instead of a picture of her, she would have had a truck driver, and the red box, and inside the red box, it said, are you a truck driver with less than perfect credit? Or truck drivers with less than a perfect credit score, and then a truck driver. Therefore, off the top, you're going to be attracting truck drivers. We know they have money if they're a truck driver, but they have less than a perfect credit score. That's number one. What you write is what the type of person you're going to attract. So when I look at this, I see I was overpaying for an apartment. My car was broken down, and my job was barely making ends meet. She's attracting people that are broke, they are poor, and they don't have money. They're living paycheck to paycheck. Understand that you need people with money. You don't need people that's living paycheck to paycheck. So you need to change everything in here to attract a whale. Because right now you're attracting a duck. You're looking right now, I'm pretty sure 9 times out of 10, all the leads that you're getting are ducks, and you're not selling credit repair for nothing over $300. All my clients at getcreditrepairleads.com sell their credit repair services from $750 to $1,800 every single day, and it's because they're attracting people that can pay that have a mindset of, I want to pay to get my credit done. I want you to imagine truck drivers that want to get a new truck. They will pay $750 to $1,800 to fix their credit to get money for a truck. All right, that's number one. I scroll down. She's trying to give away a free DIY credit repair ebook. There's nothing wrong with that if that's what you're actually trying to do. But first and foremost, understand the mindset of do it yourself. The call to action was to get this free ebook. But yes, she has joined the Facebook group. So first and foremost, don't need 2 call to actions, only need 1 call to action. Then once you click it, the call to action is schedule a free consultation, which means it's going to make people upset because that's not what they clicked on it for. I get that you can get it right here, but you do not want to give people options. You want to have people do exactly what you want them to do. You don't want to give them options to go to different things. You don't want to show them the pricing. You don't want to do none of this stuff because the thing is, people don't trust you to begin with. You have to create that value over the phone. You have to create that rapport over the phone. So your number one goal with generating high quality leads for credit repair is to get their information and get them on the phone. All right, that's number one. So the landing page is totally messed up because it's not congruent with the messaging. Number two is she has, like I said, 2 different call to action. Join my private Facebook group, which is not going to work. As you see, it's only 14 members right here. So what you need to do is have 1 call to action. You need to target one specific niche of credit repair, whether it's, hey, do you want a BBL, but you don't want to pay out of pocket? You want to use your credit? You want to use something called Care Credit, but your credit isn't right? We'll help you get Care Credit. And then it should be a funnel or a page which see if they qualify to getting help with their Care Credit. Because the thing is, the more you qualify these people, the more money you're going to make. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. So let me show you a perfect example of what she should have done. First and foremost, getting rid of this whole messaging and putting something that's more attractive to people that have money but bad credit. That's number one. Number two, do not give out an ebook, because ebooks are low ticket items and they're not interested in anyone doing their credit for them. They're trying to do it themselves. That's number two. Number three, make this picture a video with a specific video talking to the specific niche or the specific situation or person that you want to fix their credit. Too many call to actions. So let me show you what it should look like. Learn more. Should go to a funnel, very specific. Only have one job, and that's to get their name information and get them to schedule an appointment. All right, so boom. After they click learn more, what should happen is they should be taken to something like this. So let's say that ad was truck drivers. Boom. Here's a funnel just for truck drivers. No matter where you go in here, it's only going to do one thing. They can't do nothing else but press this. They're going to put in their information. By the way, if you're running ads and you want a proven process, you want proven templates, proven ads, proven video scripts for your Facebook ads, I'm going to give you an opportunity where you can go and get a plug and play system to create the most profitable ads. Right now, all of my clients are selling credit repair services between $700 to $1,800 with this Facebook ad strategy that you're going to get. So once they go there, they're going to go to ASAP, put in their information. Then boom, once you get their information, bam. What's cool about this is actually I got a text message right there. As soon as they did that, they schedule an appointment and voila, that's it. Now you just get on the phone with them. They're highly qualified leads. If you like this video and you want me to audit your Facebook ads, just drop down your Facebook page and I will do an audit of your Facebook ads, what you should change, what you should do, and I'll really help you through that. Also, if you want this proven Facebook templates, proven Facebook funnel, proven email sequences, also a high ticket credit repair sales script, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to say download the credit repair sales script. All you have to do is click this button, put in the information on where to send it. It's $7, the sales script. And when you put this information, then you have the opportunity to get the Facebook ad template, which I have everything I just showed you, and you have access to it yourself, so you can make profitable Facebook ads for yourself. That's actually going to give you high quality leads, and then you just complete the order. Once you complete the order, we're going to help you automate your whole credit repair business, getting leads, getting clients, all on autopilot. It's a 5-day free training, so you get access to that as well. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification, because I'll be doing this weekly. So share this with someone. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you soon.